Hello everyone, welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. Do any of you like houseplants? I sure do, but I drive my husband nuts every time I buy another plant. I'll just put this plant with the others before Jeremy notices. Oh snap.
What are you buying now? Another plant?
But it's so pretty, and I don't have one like this yet. Don't worry, hon. It was on sale. Anyway, let's get crafting and make a new plant for the dollhouse. You can go to my blog, poppyseedmini.blogspot.com, to get the free printable for this project. The link is in the description box below. Cut out the leaves from the printable. Then cut an oval of tinfoil. Cut a piece of coated floral wire 3 to 4 inches long. Put glue on both sides of the leaf. Place the foil on one side and add more glue to the foil. I use a stronger glue to glue the wire in. Then fold the leaves together and let the glue dry. Trim off any white edges. I'm going to use craft foam and a stylist to shape the leaf. Start on the top side and press down the light areas. Then flip it over and run across the darker streaks through the leaf. Then run it around the edge to curve it. I'm using my Glossy Accents glue to give the leaves a shine. Do this with all the leaves. I'm using floral tape to tape the plant together. Start with the largest 4 leaves. Tape them together. Then tape on the 4 medium leaves. And then the 4 smallest leaves around the base of the plant. Now we need a pot. I wanted it to look like a basket, so I found this ribbon at the dollar store and I peeled off the lace part of it. I'm also using a cap from chocolate almond milk and a piece of brown cardstock that's 2 inches by 4 1/4. Cut the piece of ribbon as long as the cardstock. Glue your cardstock around the cap and then hot glue the cap in place in the bottom. Then glue your ribbon around the cardstock. Fill the pot with paper towel, and I'm going to cut a strip of felt to wrap around the base of the plant. Add more felt until it is wide enough to fit in the top of the pot. Then glue the plant and the felt into the pot. Let us know in the comments down below what your favorite houseplants are. We hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have fun crafting. I want to give a special shout out to my husband for being a part of this video today.
Action!
I'm walking into the house. I've got a super big plant I just spent money on.
I was just messing around. Are you still recording?